Wahey! Oh, that was great, wasn't it? Now, don't go away, because the party's not over yet. It's time for Over the Rainbow! There's some real treasure coming up now. It's time for the big, pink, furry thing! Wow! That was really mysterious! Now get ready for lots of laughs with Jack the Joker! Oh, that's me, that is! Yippee! I love a good joke, don't you? Anyway, there's more fun coming up in Games Day! Oh, fancy half-pint beating Rodney in a race! Time to go now! Happy Christmas, everybody! Happy